Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, founder of Online Study for You, and Infosys has finally started sending emails for round 1 and round 2. For many of the students, round 1 is now scheduled on 31st of May. I definitely want your input also, that what mail you have received from Infosys. If not, you will be receiving it shortly. So let us see round 1 and round 2 one by one. I will tell you. So here this is for the round 1. Okay, this is for the round 1 email. So many of the students had some issues, okay, so login issues and then compiler issues, right? So they have started getting emails now. Okay, now let us see the mail. So dear candidates, greetings from the Infosys. We understand that recent round 1 virtual assessment conducted on 17th of May with SP and DSE role, okay, came with its own set of challenges, and we recognize that circumstances may have been beyond your control. In the spirit of fairness and giving every deserving candidate a fair chance, we would like to invite you for a virtual assessment on Sunday 31st of May, that is next Sunday. Okay, this is our way of ensuring that no candidate missing out a genuine opportunity due to factors outside their hands. We hope you will make the most of this chance. So now the next date is 31st of May 2026, slot 1, 10 to 1 p.m. Okay, and if you have any queries, you please get in contact with them. So 3 hours and 3 questions will be there. Okay, so mainly DP graph. So here you can use AI tools. So do not directly copy paste the code which gets from the AI tools, because the plagiarism check will be there. So you need to modify the code a bit before you use it. Okay, now for the round 2, anyway, for the round 1 and round 2 both, my dear friends, here if you'll see, so already Infosys SP and DSE crash course is there, okay, in 3 languages. Okay, so the content is there, and also we are teaching like DSA white book is also there. DSA using Java, C++, Python, and live classes already. There's so many classes has happened, right? So 2 hours of the classes, 1 hours of the classes, right? We are continuously doing, and this DSA white book, many of them who wrote the exam of Infosys, right, on 17th of May, they were telling, sir, this was the question which was taught. And also here you can see we had also done that the videos, right? So TC, where is that? So Infosys questions asked on 17th of May 2026, right? First shift question. So please go through all of this. Okay, and then if you'll come back here, so Infosys round 2. Okay, so dear candidate, greetings from Infosys. So heartiest congratulations on successfully clearing round 1 of our campus selection process, right? And the round 2 will be conducted in physical in-person mode at a designated center across various cities in India. Please find the details below. So it will be 24th of May 2026, that means the Sunday, in person, reporting time 8:45 a.m. So venue KL University something. Okay, it is in Hyderabad. Candidates shortlisted from the test will be scheduled for interviews on 25th of May 2026. Okay, so at some places the interview is happening that same day, and some places the interview is going to happen on next day. Kindly make the necessary arrangement. Okay, so friends, here also, so around 3 questions again for 3 hours it will be there, and right, so there'll be easy, medium, and complex. So here if they say medium is medium, if they say complex means complex. Okay, so here there won't be any compromise with that. Okay, so friends, this is one of the wonderful opportunity. Even if you get L1 role also, that is more than sufficient. Okay, if you get L2, L3, any role, right? And recently we had also had this, right? So where is that? Infosys, right? So L1 selected a student we had called where he went, yeah. So Infosys cracked L1 2026 batch, pen and paper reattempt questions, all those things which we had put it here, right? Okay, so that's what, friends, I wanted to tell you in this video. Thank you, take care, all the very best. We'll meet soon. Till then, please take care of yourself. Don't forget to like the video.